Hey, it's Jason Goss again here for Interactive Advanced Concepts presentation for Module 4 of Week 4 for Gen Chem at Doane University. So, sorry, this time I've got my camera standing up. My wife's not here to help videotape, so I apologize if anything's kind of a little bit out of view. But anyway, so this week we're being asked to fill up two balloons, one with just air and one with water and air, and see what happens. So based on the pre-reading of the assignment, supposedly, as soon as we apply the heat to the balloon with air, it theoretically should pop, and then the one with the water, the heat being on the water first, it will not pop, and then once looking at the video, it looks like if you just touch the part with the water, it would pop. So, in looking at our text readings this week and kind of reading up on what to expect with this, I would expect that you kind of call the balloon the system, and at this point, this lighter will be transferring the heat from the flame into the system. So it'd be an endothermic reaction, basically the transfer of heat from the environment or surroundings to that system of the balloon. So with that being said, let's get started. So I've got the two balloons, and I actually label them upside down, but so this one I labeled just with air, so you can hear there's nothing in here, it's just air. I blew it up, and if I hold it up, we expect that as soon as I touch this flame, that you can barely see, I'm sorry, it should pop. So let's see how that goes. I've just got over a trash can right here to see. A little fun, but yep, so popped right there by just applying the flame. So then this one, I've got labeled H2O, or just water, and you can kind of hear the water. I'm not sure if you can really see it in this white balloon, but so here we should kind of see what the reaction happens. So hopefully I've got enough water in there to make the experiment work. If not, we'll grab another balloon. So, just like the video showed and just like expected, so you can see it's actually creating a black mark. So it's kind of burning that balloon, but it's not popping it, which is pretty surprising. So I'm going to try it one more time over that part with the water, and then I'm going to put it closer to the trash can so if it blows up it doesn't go nuts. And we'll touch the part with the air. And there went some water everywhere. But so, pretty much as expected per the video. And like I said, it's transferring that heat from the surroundings to the system being the balloon itself. So why do I think that this is actually not popping with the water? So again, like I said, it's transferring that heat. So what I expect is probably happening is if you look at the balloon with just the air, when you put the flame to it, that heat has to be absorbed inside the system, and there's really nothing but air in there, and so when it absorbs it expands and pops the balloon. Whereas in the water balloon, I think that what's happening is the water inside the balloon is actually helping absorb that heat to where it's just heating the water and not expanding the air in the balloon to expand and pop. However, when you touch that air, it heats and expands that air and basically causes the reaction. It's my guess on it, but either way, pretty cool experiment and good to see and get water all over the kitchen. But appreciate it, and thanks again.